Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Froala tutorial. If you're building a WordPress site that involves any kind of content creation, whether it's a blog, a learning management system, a publishing platform, and so on, your users are probably spending a lot of time writing, as well as editing and refining content inside a text editor. Froala is already one of the most powerful WYSIWYG editors you can embed in a WordPress site, but today, we're taking it a step further by connecting it directly to ChatGPT. With Froala's AI Assist plugin and the OpenAI API, your users can generate content, rewrite text, adjust tone, translate, and summarize, and they don't even have to leave the editor. Before we set anything up, here's a quick picture of what we're building. Froala's AI Assist plugin adds two capabilities to your editor. The first is AI Chat, a familiar Ask Anything interface, similar to ChatGPT but embedded directly inside Froala. The second one is AI Shortcuts, a set of quick actions that users can apply to selected text, things like rewriting, translating, changing tone, or summarizing. The key thing to understand here is that Froala's AI Assist is completely model-agnostic. So it doesn't care whether you're using ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Claude, or any other model. It's all up to you. Now, let's set it up. I'll assume that you already have a working WordPress site. There are three moving parts, starting with securing your API key, followed by creating a backend endpoint, and finally, initializing Froala on your page. One of the most important rules of this entire setup is that your OpenAI API key must never appear in your front-end JavaScript. If it does, anyone who views your page source can steal it and run up your bill. So to solve this, you can store it in wp-config.php, a server-side file that never gets exposed to the browser. Open this file, which resides in your WordPress root directory, and add this line near the end. That's it for the key. Next, we need a secure middleman, which is a WordPress REST API endpoint that sits between Froala and OpenAI. To create this endpoint, we'll build a small custom plugin. In your WordPress files, navigate to wp-content/plugins, and then create a new folder called Froala AI Assist. Inside it, create a file called Froala AI Assist.php. Here's what goes inside it. In this code, three things are worth pointing out. First, the register REST route creates the endpoint at wp-json AI Assist/ChatGPT. Second, sanitize text field cleans the user's prompt before we do anything with it. And third, the OpenAI API call happens entirely here on the server. OpenAI API key is the constant we stored in the configuration file from earlier. After saving the file, go to your WordPress admin, and then plugins, followed by installed plugins, and you'll see there Froala AI Assist with ChatGPT. So go ahead and activate that. Now we need to load Froala on a WordPress page and point its AI Assist feature at our new endpoint. First, create a page in WordPress. And in the code editor view, add this. Publish it, then, inside your theme folder, create a JS folder, and inside it, a file called froala-init.js. This is the glue between Froala and your WordPress endpoint. The critical line here is the AI Assist request call ChatGPT. This tells Froala to use our function and our secure WordPress endpoint whenever a user triggers AI Assist. That's the entire wiring in one line. That's it. Once you're done, open your WordPress site. Now, let's see it in action. This is Froala Editor, and here are the two AI buttons. The first button is for the AI chat, where you can ask AI to generate some content or refine it. The second one is the AI shortcuts, which allows you to highlight a portion of the editor and then build or improve your content from there. First, I'll ask the AI assistant to generate some content for me. So for example, we have an internal tool that uses a WYSIWYG editor, and the user wants to announce changes in the work schedule. First, the user clicks the AI button, or the Ask AI button, and then, for example, we have this requirement here, and you can click Submit. And here's the generated announcement. So it says new hybrid work schedule, and then there's already a message to the team, and then the specific details, and so on. So let's click Insert first. So it's here in our editor already, but it's not yet perfect. So for example, the user thinks that this is too formal, so the user wants to change the tone. You can highlight the content and click the AI Shortcuts button, and then change tone to casual. So here's the refined content. So it's a lot more informal now. And after that, click Insert. This replaces the more formal message from earlier. And finally, what if we want to translate this into another language? So same thing, highlight the content, click AI shortcuts, and then translate to whatever language you prefer. So for example, we have French here. So here it is. Click Insert, and the exact formatting, the exact indentation, those things were preserved perfectly. So with an AI-powered editor, teams can do a lot more, and they never even have to leave the editor itself. So they just stay on the page and then ask AI to generate and refine as they go. And that's Froala's AI Assist feature, powered by ChatGPT, running inside WordPress. Whether you're building an LMS, a content platform, or any WordPress site where users write, this integration gives them a genuinely useful tool without adding complexity to their workflow. So if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.